Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send Ton from Bitget to Telegram wallet. Alright, so in order to get this done, open up your Bitget centralized exchange. Head to the assets at the bottom right corner of the screen, click on the withdraw option, and then select Ton. Once you've selected Ton, click on on-chain withdrawals, and then the network has been entered at the Ton network, and then you're to provide a withdrawal address, tag or memo, which is optional, and the withdrawal amount. Please note that the withdrawal fee is 0.02 Ton, and your minimum withdrawal amount, the amount you can withdraw at minimum, is 0.8. With this in mind, minimize and open up your Telegram. Once you've opened up Telegram, the icon at the top left, click on this icon, click on wallet, click on add crypto, click on external wallet, click on Ton coin, and then proceed to copy your address. Minimize and open up Bitget. Paste the address you had copied there. The tag or memo is optional. As you saw, there was no tag or memo on Telegram. So enter the minimum withdrawal amount and then click on withdraw. By doing this, you can successfully send your Ton tokens from the Bitget to the Telegram wallet by just simply reloading on the Telegram wallet, and you find it there. Alright guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.